Hi everyone. The weather is way better today compared last week. It was very cold. It's -50 wind chill and the temperature. But today is only -5. It's way better temperature than last week. And it's a little bit windy today. There's still lots of snow, as you can see in my back. This is my back yard. As you can see, my deck, still lots of snow. But temperature wise is way better compared from last week. I'm just gonna clean this snow. I might hire chupa to clean it up, because otherwise it will go into my basement when it start melting. Let's go inside and we'll make some muffins. See you inside the house. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will make oatmeal and honey muffins. And these are all the ingredients. I have egg, milk, ground flax seeds, honey, salt, baking powder, and whole wheat flour. And I have this here, my line 10 baking cups. I set that aside for now. In a medium bowl here, I will measure this. I have here 1.5 cup of whole wheat flour, half a cup of ground flax seeds, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Stir it. And set that aside. In another bowl here, I have 1 egg, one-third cup of honey, beat the honey and the egg together. And then add the dry ingredients. And then the 2/3 cup of milk. Then I will start putting this in a tin muffin cups here. About 3/4 cup full. And then I'll bake this in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes for 400 degrees oven. And see you guys later. Let's check the muffins. Ta-da! It's cooked, guys. Let's check. I will go get a toothpick. Let's check if comes out clean. It's clean. So that means it's cooked. See you later.